This is green colored pigment, chlorophyll.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Both of you? Okay, Jashan also done. So if you want to make the diagram also, then they have two membranes, outer and inner membrane. And there are structure which are like piles of coin. जैसे stacking होती है ना, coin की एक के ऊपर एक. These are like piles of coins, and these are called as granum. This stacking of coins is called as granum, and they are joined to each other via membrane. So this is the structure of the chloroplast, and they have pigment chlorophyll within this thylakoid granum. एक कॉइन को बोलते हैं thylakoid. बहुत सारे ग्रुप ऑफ thylakoids इज कॉल्ड एज ग्रानम. क्या मेरी बात समझ आई? एक को हम बोलेंगे thylakoid. Group of thylakoid is called as, yes, granum. Yes. तो बहुत सारे ग्रानम आपस में इंटरकनेक्टेड है, एंड दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर, एंड विद इन द थाइलाकोइड देयर इज प्रेजेंट पिगमेंट व्हिच इज नोन एज, बताओ, chlorophyll. You can make the diagram if you wish to, then I'll proceed with the functions. If you want to make the diagram, you can. Okay, write down the functions then. Leucoplast stores starch. अब ल्यूकोप्लास्ट आपने देखना है, तो आप देखोगे ल्यूकोप्लास्ट इज प्रेजेंट इन पोटैटोज. आपने पोटैटो चिप्स खाए हैं सबने?
यस मैम.
तो पोटैटो चिप्स में आपने देखा है कि व्हेन यू मेक थिनेस्ट पॉसिबल स्लाइस, जब आप स्लाइसिंग करते हो ना, किसी ने घर पे अगर बनाए हैं तो चिप्स, थिनेस्ट पॉसिबल स्लाइस, then you can see through them. They are so transparent, and that transparent plastid जो उसके अंदर starch है, that is called as leucoplast, and that helps in storage of starch. तो potatoes में starch कहते हैं, बहुत सारा starch है. ये कितनों को पता था? Potatoes have starch.
Everyone knows this, I guess.
Okay. They are full of starch, and this starch is because of this leucoplast. तो leucoplast का main function आ गया, लिखा हुआ आपने, leucoplast store starch. Leucoplast store starch. Leucoplast stores starch, oil, and protein. Leucoplast stores starch, oil, whereas chromoplast gives color to the flowers and fruits. Gives colors to flowers and fruits. And last, chloroplast. What is the function of chloroplast, Jashan? What is the function of chloroplast? Yes? Photosynthesis. ठीक है? Photosynthesis. So write down another organelle. I guess everyone is clear with this topic now. So I'll start with another organelle. That is ribosomes. अब ribosomes के बारे में आपने बार बार पढ़ लिया. Ribosomes, if they are present on endoplasmic reticulum, it may be rough, or if they are absent, it may be smooth. Ribosomes पे लिखो. These are spherical granules. These are spherical granules. These are spherical granules which are found freely in cytoplasm. These are spherical granules which are found freely in cytoplasm or attached to endoplasmic reticulum. These are spherical granules which are found freely or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types. I've written it on the screen. Please write down. There are two types, 70S and 80S. 70S and 80S. Now, what is S? S is its SI unit, Swedberg unit. इसकी unit है S. या इसको कई बार हम लिखते हैं sedimentation coefficient. It is the unit of ribosomes. So ribosomes are of two types. And what is the function of ribosomes? मैंने आपको लिखवाया था ये. Who will tell me the answer? They're called
Ma'am,
as.
could you repeat?
What is the function of ribosomes?
They make protein and lipids.
No, they make only protein synthesis.
Yes, only.
Okay. That is why they are also called as. Who will tell me? They are also called as
Protein power.
protein factory. वो powerhouse वो different है. These are called as protein factories. Okay. So these are called as protein factories or protein engines. Ribosomes, as they help in making protein. अब protein इतना important है हमारी body के लिए. You know, your hair, your nail, they keep on growing. Is it? नाखून बढ़ते हैं, hair बढ़ रहे हैं because they are
Yes,
made up of
ma'am.
protein. Yes, they are made up of proteins, and you need this protein daily.
Ma'am, if you have less protein in your body, then the growth will be less.
Yes, distorted. Maybe you must have seen some people. They have some problem with their nails. है ना? Nail
have-
growth near.
People have white marks
White-
on their nails. Oh, that's
Huh.
because of calcium, no?
Yes. That is separate thing because of deficiency of calcium. They have found this deposition on their nails. But if the protein is not sufficient within the body, then it leads to the insufficient growth of nails. Matlab, they'll turn black. Nail will not be present in that area. It will be hollow from that part, and you'll see black area. So it is because of the protein deficiency, or maybe there is some thinness in the hair growth. Bulb or density thinness in the density of the hair. It is again because of proteins. And you know, bodybuilders, they take in protein shakes. कितनों को पता है ये कि जितने bodybuilders हैं, they go for these protein shakes.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes. जशन आपको भी पता है, वे प्रोटीन पीते हैं because they require this protein, yes, to build their muscles. कहते हैं biceps, triceps बनाने, then you need
Yes,
to give
ma'am.
you need to give proteins to them. तो प्रोटीन की जो डाइट है वो एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटीन से लेते हैं, वो बाहर से लेते हैं एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से, and they complete this protein diet. Now coming to next part, which is next organelle, peroxisomes.
Ma'am, how many do we have?
Sorry,
How many organelles do we have?
there are around 9. I guess you have already written 7.
Okay.
So next is peroxisomes. These are very small spherical organelles. These are very small organelles present in the liver. Very small organelles, spherical organelles present in the liver, kidney cells, and plant cells. They're very small organelles present in liver, kidney cell, and plant cells. They help in removal of toxic substances. You know what is toxic?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ क्या होता है? What is toxic?
Ma'am, impure,
It is poisonous. Poisonous.
poisonous.
Okay. Yes. They help in removing toxic substances from the cell. Ankita, mute yourself with it.
Sorry, ma'am.
Next is centrosome. Centrosome किसमें present था? Plant cell or animal cell or both? Yes.
Animal cell.
Yes, only in animal cell. What was the function? Who will tell me? What was the function of centrosome? अरे हमने किया है बेटे. The centrosome, the function of centrosome is cell division. अगर आपको याद हो हमने सेल बनाया था, सेल के साथ में न्यूक्लियस बनाया था, उसके बाद यहाँ सेंट्रोसोम, और उसका मैंने फंक्शन भी बताया था आप लोगों को. तो फंक्शन ऑफ सेंट्रोसोम इज टू परफॉर्म सेल डिवीजन. With this we are done with this chapter. I guess everyone is clear now. So I'll give you a few questions for revision. You have to search for the answers on your own, and we'll discuss in the next class. Please write down the questions. Are you ready for the questions? Yes, both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start with the questions then. Name the organelle which maintains rigidity and turgidity. It maintains rigidity and turgidity of plant cell. Name the organelle which maintain rigidity and turgidity of plant cell at maturity. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल आ गया ये. Name the organelle which maintains rigidity and turgidity of mature plant cell. Name the process by which amoeba obtain its food. Name the process by which amoeba obtain its food. Name the structure which Robert Hooke found to resemble with thin slice of cork. Name the structure which Robert Hooke found to resemble with thin slice of cork. Next point आता है, name the set organelle which is termed as powerhouse of cell. Name the organelle which is termed as powerhouse of cell. Name the organelle which is termed as powerhouse of cell. Name the plastid which gives red color to tomato. Name the plastid which gives red color to tomato. Next point. Name the cell organelle which is called as suicidal bag. Name the cell organelle which is called as suicidal bag. Expand ATP. मतलब इसका आपकी फुल फॉर्म बतानी है. Expand ATP.
It is a test.
Sorry.
Ma'am, it is a test.
No, it is not a test. You can discuss.
Okay.
You can discuss. You can consult your note NCERT book. I'm giving you few more questions, but just wait. Okay, write down next question. Give one function of Golgi apparatus. Give one function of Golgi apparatus. It is not a test. Just you can look into your NCERT book for the answers. Next question, Liko. What will you observe when de-shelled egg is placed in pure water? क्या ये हमने किया है process? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will happen if de-shelled egg is kept in pure water for 5 minutes? De-shelled egg is kept in, is placed in pure water for 5 minutes. Name the process of shrinkage of cell. Name the process of, yes. Name the process of shrinkage of cell. Okay, now start with the answers. Can you do the answers now? We have time. Can you try these answers? Yes.